All right, here I'm going to show you how to do a foundation half double crochet. I like the foundation half double crochet in that it's a little easier for me to keep track of what I'm doing, in all honesty, and that's why I focus most on that. It starts out with a chain of 3, so 1, 2, 3. And then if anybody's familiar with chains, they normally go horizontal. With a foundation chain like this, we're actually going to be working vertically, if you can, if you're having trouble conceptualizing it. So essentially what we're going to do is, for the first one, we're going to end up putting in our normal chain, and then we'll put in our first row in the same motion. Bear with me, it's going to be confusing at first, but after the first couple stitches it'll make sense. So we're going to start off by yarning over, and then we're going to insert into the first rung of our chain, like so. And then once again, yarn over, pull through 1, and then to make our first chain, or the first part of the base, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, so that will make a nice chain, and then we're going to do our half double crochet, which will be a yarn over and pull through 3. I know it seems a little bizarre at first, and it took me forever to get in the habit of being able to do it. So we'll do a few more just so you get the idea. So this space here will be where we insert our hook for our next stitch. Yarn over, insert here, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 for a chain, yarn over, pull through 3. It doesn't look like much yet, but just bear with me for a couple minutes. I'll do a few more so you can see how it starts to develop, and so we can start getting that chant in our head. So yarn over, inserts, there we go, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Again, this loop here, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 3. And again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 3. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over through 1, yarn over through 3. And again, we'll pull on my yarn here. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Once more here, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. And again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. So as we can see here, we almost have a delightful bracelet going on. This side here would be the bottom of our work, where the chain extends out. And when we work on our next row, this side here will be the top of our work. Turning it over to this side because that's the side that we would look at when we work. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here is 11. So we have 11 chains on here. Give me just a second while I think about the next thing we're gonna do and decide if I need to do a couple more. So 3 plus 1, so 6. Okay, we're gonna do 2 more because one of the things we're gonna do later is going to be a pattern that requires groupings of 3 plus 1 at the end to round it out. So 3, 6, 9, 12 plus 1. So we're gonna yarn over. Well, we'll get there. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. So that gives us 12 stitches on our half double foundation crochet chain. That's a lot. It is possible to do a foundation single crochet chain, and the difference with that is instead of pulling through, or instead of doing that first, I'd have to look at that. Essentially, you would end up with 2 loops that you're pulling through instead of 3 loops. The difference between a foundation double crochet and a foundation half double crochet is instead of your last part where you yarn over, pull through 3, you'll yarn over, pull through 2, and then you'll yarn over and pull through 2 again. So that'll make a taller stitch. Personally, I like the half double crochet for foundations for a couple of reasons. It has a little bit more thickness to it because you're pulling through 3 loops. The other nice thing for me is I don't get confused on what step I'm at. As you probably noticed, every step has, every loop, you're basically making 2 stitches. So it can be a little bit easy to lose track of where you're at if you're not kind of mumbling to yourself at first. So next I'll show you how to make some basic crochet stitches. So I'll see you in the next video.